And you already know we're dealing with the blizzard of 2010 up here. And I'm just gonna let y'all know the grind don't stop. The grind don't stop. I'm still out here from MCA. Cause just think, if you're out here, you need a car towed, you run out of gas, somebody back and slides into you because they don't know how to drive, you're gonna need these. You're gonna need these benefits. Take a look at these benefits. The grind don't stop. I'm gonna be out here passing out these flyers because I'm gonna be helping people out. I'm gonna be helping people out. So go ahead, click the link below, www.detailsofmca.com, and get these benefits for this snowstorm. It's crazy out here. Look at this. Look at this. All these cars are not gonna start in the morning. Don't stop, man. It's your boy Wally Pays. Click the link below. Snowstorm 2010. I'm out.